We are going to see set operations. There are 4 set operations: union, union all, intersect, minus. Union. This command merges the output of 2 or more queries into a single set of rows and columns. It merges the records in 2 tables. So that is output equal to records in query 1 plus records in query 2 plus records in queries which is common in both queries. In union command avoids duplicate or repeated rows. For example, there is department 1 table and department 2 table. If you want to combine these 2 tables, you can use the union operation to merge the records in 2 tables. Select department number, department name from department 1, union, select department number, department name from department 2. So 2 select queries are combined using union operation. Union operation will avoid the duplicate or repeated rows. Next is union all. It is used to combine multiple queries into single one. It also displays the duplicate rows in the tables. So 2 select queries are combined using the union all. It includes the duplicate rows also. Select department number, department name from department 1, union all, select department number, department name from department 2. So department 1 table and department 2 table, the records from these 2 tables are merged with the union all command. Next, intersect. It is used to combine 2 queries and return rows that exist common in both the queries. So intersect operation returns the common data in both the queries. So the output equal to set of records common in both the queries. If we take 2 tables, department 1 and department 2, the records which are common, which resides in both the tables, will be displayed. So select department number, department name from department 1, intersect, select department number, department name from department 2. So the intersect operation merges the 2 select commands and produce the result which are common in both the select commands. Next, minus operation. The minus operator is used to subtract the result of one query from another. The minus operator outputs the rows produced by first query and not by the second query. So the minus operator gives preference to the first query. The first table's records which resides in first table and not in the second table is selected. So the output is records only in query 1. So this is the minus operation. So 2 tables can be used for the minus operation. Select department number, department name from department 1, minus select department number, department name from department 2. So both the select queries are used with the minus operation. The data in the first table, which is in the first table and not in the second table, is selected using the minus operation. So we have seen the set operations: union, union all, intersect, minus. Thank you.